So we got the boys out here. They're going to change the shocks on this 2010 Chrysler Town and Country. Show them, bounce the back, Junior. Show them how blowed out these shocks are. This thing's so dangerous. I mean, you get to the point where you can't even drive it down the interstate. If there's road construction, the back of the van will actually start trying to change lanes on you. So we got, that cracks me up. You had to be in it riding down the road. Some Monroe's off Amazon, dirt cheap. And hopefully the tools we need to do it. So all the videos, we wasn't going to make a video of this, but all the videos you see online, they talk about how easy this is to do. You don't even have to take the tires off, but then you watch the video and these guys are using a car lift. They're not even outside doing it on the ground. So the boys are wanting to try it, so we're going to give it a try. So we'll get the tools together. We got everything sprayed down with PB Blaster and see how much of a basket case it's going to be. Here's the shock off the passenger side. We done it. I had, you know, off the camera to see what it was in for. This thing, it's toasted.
For real.
Jason's getting started on this side. This side is going to be a little tougher. We got brake lines. They're right up in. The stud goes in this way. What is it? The inside's what? 17 millimeter.
18
millimeter nut, and the brake lines are like right here, and it just runs right up into where that nut's at. So we'll see how it goes. Jason made pretty quick work of the other side, so we'll see.
Emily would have made more than that. This could be a second job though. You get off of work and say, oh. Before I get to bed, let's go make 20 bucks.
Oh, damn, that bitch pinched the shit.
Dang, what do you know? It came off. Ah, man. Need me to hold the wrench?
If I get it to the ground, then he should be alright. But if not, I mean, it'd probably be a little quicker if you want. But it's kind of a tight spot.
Is that coming loose?
Oh yeah, it's coming loose. There she goes.
Oh, short. Cool. Well, it takes care of the bottom. Well, there it is. Jason got it out. Oh, sure, yeah, it's blowed. Doesn't even push itself apart.
beating.
Oh, you about got her whooped now. Mac and cheese. Kids don't know what they're talking about.
Bring my noodles, honey. They be talking about all the time.
Hit the hold it with one finger and try to start it.
Yeah, try to. That's the thing, it's so tight. It's such a tight spot, it's like...
There's not a lot of rich fat people. Not a lot of fat rich people.
Something needs changing on that.
You ain't kidding. Like a heat shield or something vibrating. There you go. Here's the. Well, there it goes. 32290. Monroe, made in USA. Amazon's finest. All right, we'll get the tire back on. See how much it still bounces.
Did you show them what it looked
Yeah,
like?
yeah, that's a big difference.
This is me actually trying.
Yeah, that's trying to push down on us. That's good. I wish I had the money to put the coils in it, but it's so much better than what it was. It was. Yeah, it's taking a couple of them. Yeah, we tear it up. But that's it. We couldn't get them. Like everybody was saying, you could do it with the tire on it. There was no way we could do it with the tire on it. But a lot of the videos you see, the guys saying you can do it with the tire on it, they pull it up onto a car lift and lift it up and do it from underneath. So we didn't have that option, but Jason made quick work of it. How long do you think it took?
About an hour.
About an hour? About an hour, both sides. So that's pretty good for something that's, what is it, 2010, so it's about to get hit. 2010 Chrysler Town and Country, 200,000 miles on it. And I'm sure these are the original shocks. These things are toasty owed, man.
The original Chrysler.
Without a doubt, they're too far gone to see. Yeah, see if they had a Chrysler emblem on them, but
What was that, buddy?
they're toasted. They're junk, but
Alright, let me get those.
there you go. That's the reality of it. Don't believe everything you see on YouTube. I mean, it did only take an hour, but it's still a job. It's tight getting up there. The top of the shock, that nut up in the back side is like super hard to get to, but we've done a heck of a job on it. Thanks for watching, guys. Now we got to get the exhaust is shot, and we have a coolant issue. We got to have it all fixed by this weekend. That's a whole nother adventure. Thanks for watching.